Hello everybody, today I want to make a Flappy Birds game. I hope you do know what is this game. What is it? It's like it was at some point was very popular game and one of like stories of success. How like developer can become like, anyways, you know what is it. And today I want to make Flappy Birds in C++ and SDL. So let's start it. So let's create a directory. Let's create directory for Flappy Bird. I did not create directory. Flappy. Okay. And let's make file. I do not remember how to. So I have my make file, and let me see where I can get this make file. So probably from here. I will just copy paste it. There is nothing interesting in it, and this video about C++, not about make file. Basically it gets the name from the directory, and then it gets all cpp files in the sources. It gets all .o files also from sources, and it's removed .cpp and substituted with .o, and C++ flags all warnings, optimization for my CPU, adding this debug thingies, also C++ 17 features, optimization of free, add debug symbols, and also I'm going to use SDL2, so I need C flags for SDL2, and linking flags, I need just linking flags for SDL2, and basically that's it. Target, it's a base name, so it's going to be Flappy-Birds, and it's going to link all object files, and for all object files this is the compilation. And once I figure out how to do this thing, basically it will generate .mk tilde files with dependencies, and then next time then I build it will include all these dependencies and will do incremental build, and this one for cleaning. So I explain everything to you. This make file actually works for Linux and Mac with some magic with brew, and I think it will work for MinGW, but I did not test it. I don't have Windows to test. Anyways, let's start it. So I'm going to have main file, include sdl.h main, and I know for Windows, for everything else it works, but for Windows you need to do this thing, argc *const *rv. So for Linux and Mac I don't need to do this thing, but for Windows I need to do this thing. And here's it. I need to include this thing also for Windows, but I don't need to do this thing for Mac and Linux. I will have application class application app exec return app.exec. So this is my main function. So let's do application class pragma once. So I need include SDL2 here class application, and here interface is going to be exec. It's not void, it's int exec. That's it. This is my interface gpp. So, and I have exec. Oops. So and also it will have constructor. So in constructor I will have things, right? Initialization for SDL. So what I need to do, I need to run init to equals SDL init SDL init everything, and then I check result if res not equal 0. We need to throw exception, so let's throw exception, time error, and I'll just print out this thing. And also I want to print error, so plus SDL get error. Let's compile. So I have 8 cores with hyper threading, so basically I can use 8 threads to compile, but the recommendation to use one more, so I put 9. SDL2.h. So what wrong did I do? Oh, I don't need 2 here, so it's my bad. Application is not declared. What's going on here? Did I make typo? Oh yeah, yeah, I missed I. Okay, runtime error. I need the library std except, and here return 0. Compiles. So now I need to create window. Still create window. I create window and renderer. And here's it. I will put width and height of window, and I'll put 0 here for now, and I will have window pointer to window and pointer to renderer. Okay, so private SDL window star window SDL renderer star renderer width and height. So width equals 1280. Can I do this thing? Static const auto. I think I can. Height window fixing typos. It compiles. Soon we will be able to run this thing. Here's it. So here's it. I need a loop, and loop basically auto done. I can do for loop. For auto done equals false, and here I will do loop for now. I need to do things like SDL pick, I guess. I do not remember exactly. Pull. I need to do pull, and I need to have event SDL event if SDL pull event. So if I have some event, I will process event here, and let me process one important event. It's quit, case SDL quit, and I'll set done here to true. Break, and here we will do rendering, and for rendering we will do like this. Switch e dot, what is it, e dot type, yeah, like this. Break, set but not used. Here's it. Oh, not done. Yep, so we go. Let's see how it's going to work. I think I need to set coordinates. I will set it like, what is going on? Why it's so big? Oh, 720. So I made it square accidentally. So what else? I need to set coordinates. I do not remember. Let me see what kind of coordinates I was doing for my primordial soup, for instance. Let me see. Tetris probably. Yeah, set Windows position 65126. So let's do it. SDL set window position window 65 and 126. So let's see. Okay, it looks little bit down, and I think if I move it up, the reason is because yeah, let me just put the flag borderless and that's it. So let me put flag here, SDL2 borderless. Okay, yeah, perfect. Now let's do bird. Okay, so let me run GIMP and I will try to draw the bird here. So let's have bird 128 by 128 and let's have transparency. Okay, here's it, my GIMP. So let me make it 4 times bigger and I'll Google for bird. I'm not good drawer, so I will bird images. So let me try to make the bird. So the mouse it's too fast. Let me do it slower. Yeah, way better. Okay. No, I don't like this. So bigger. Yeah, okay. So this is going to be the beak, right? Like this, right? It's no. Right, so I need to do the kind of this thing. Yeah. And then big eye like this. Okay. Then it's going to have like this kind of body. And it will have some sort of wings here. Yeah, I'm really bad at drawing. Okay, let's do it again. So it will have beak here. Like this. Come on. Like this. Body. Like this. Then here's it. Eye. And wings. Okay. So now I need to fill it up. Where is the thing? I need the color. So let's have yellow. So yellow here. What's going on? I'm picking here colors. So yellow here. White here. Oh, white there. Increase white. Then white eye and red beak. Like this and like this.
What are you doing?
I'm making the Flappy Bird game and I'm recording video also.
So, hi, I'm Daniel and I'm with
Hey,
my
Daniel, it's okay. So, does it look like Flappy Bird?
The wing is a bit too big. The wings on there is a bit
Should be
too
smaller.
It's round and it's more upwards, not downwards.
Okay, let me try to fix it. So you think it should be?
Yeah, on the picture it's upwards.
It should be like this.
No, but upwards. Like.
Okay. So it should. Okay, it should be like. Let me make it a little bit. I cannot see.
And I'm with Blazy King. Can I record too? Do you?
Control.
My daddy's fixing it up.
I will fix it. Yeah. So Control X, Control V, and I'll move it here.
But you need to make different forms. The up wing and the down wing.
Okay.
The wing in the game moves up and down.
Okay, got it.
So
So probably I'll okay, I got it. Let me make it smaller, so I will have some room for wing. Okay.
Daddy, but
Hmm.
also you're not allowed to make it without paying money, right?
It's true. So I'll make it like a tutorial. So I will not sell this game. Yeah, tutorial. I can make tutorial. Yeah. How I can make it smaller? Like this. Okay, got it.
He's learning how to do it alone. This is his first time ever drawing Flappy.
All right. Okay, I made it smaller.
And the bird is supposed to be round.
Round?
Yeah, it's a round bird. It's a round bird.
Oh, come on.
I
will spend a lot of time to draw this thing. Come on. So,
I'd erase the back of the bird too, probably.
oops.
You should erase the back.
Hey, I
of the
cannot
bird
see.
and just like curve it in like this.
Yeah, like this. Okay, I think it's good.
No, curve in the bird more.
Curve what?
Like make it more roundish, not a rectangle.
So you want to make it round like this?
No, yeah, more roundish. Just erase the back. Erase the back. Erase the back of the bird.
Ah, okay.
Erase the back of the bird.
So make it okay. So make it darker here. Okay, I got it. So let's
Erase the back of the bird.
So let's pick the black color here. So I will
No,
make
no, 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 no. The bird is round. I'm telling you. The bird is round, not an oval.
Yeah, I made it. So you want it like this round,
Give me the.
or you want to make it?
Like this is an oval, and if you like put the line like right there, that's gonna be like a circle.
Okay, like
Yeah,
this.
see, it's more like a circle. Oh no no no! It looks like a 3D thing, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So just like right there.
Like here.
Yeah, like the line is supposed to be right there, so you can erase that.
Okay.
My daddy's learning.
Yeah, I'm bad drawer, so I will spend a lot of time to just draw this stupid bird. Sorry for my language. Okay. So now I think I need to make it darker, right? I need to make it darker here.
No, the top is shiny and the bottom is dark.
No, I mean bottom should be dark, right?
Yeah, the bottom is dark and the top's bright.
Hey, I cannot see. Okay. And then I'm filling up. Okay. So now let me color things here.
It's more
So-
of a black.
So now I need to make the wing, right? So let me make the new layer for wings. So
Make it black.
where is my layers? Single box, dockable docs. Oh, here's it layers. Here layers.
You're on the empty layer, okay?
So yeah, I know my empty layer. So I need to draw now the wing. So up wing, right?
And the wing is round. And also, you forgot to make the whole bird pixely.
No. I don't want to make bird pixely. So so this is wing, and
I think it's not supposed to be so much out. I think it's supposed to be like more
like
in.
like this,
Like, yeah, yeah, like that. Like more in, it looks.
like this.
Yeah, it looks good.
Looks good.
It
Okay.
looks like.
Okay. Oh, what happened? What just happened? Oh no!
Come on, that was a
I draw the perfect circle.
Look, not the circle is pointing down.
Oh, I cannot see.
Yeah, it looks good.
Looks good. Okay.
It looks. I like it.
Okay.
I like it how it looks.
So
The
now.
thing and that's not
Okay.
the color that I was looking for.
Yeah, I think it's right color.
Oh yeah, but on the bottom it's yellow.
Yeah, on the bottom I need to make it little bit yellow,
Yellowish. That looks
like this, right?
It looks right.
Yeah, I think it's good.
It's the stupid bird.
So I made this wing. So let me make another wing.
Okay, you're done with the stupid bird.
No. I need to make the. I need to duplicate this wing.
I am not touching the edge.
Duplicate
Oh,
layer.
don't forget to draw the poles. This
And
thing may go on for 2 episodes. May.
no,
This thing
it will
may-
not take 2 episodes.
Because you gotta draw all the tubes.
Yeah, I need to draw tubes, but like it's fine. So let's cut this thing
And right
and
now it's
paste,
9:40.
and like just move it down like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you need to
And
make the whole
then-
bird as pixely as possible.
Yeah, so it's wing down, wing up, wing down, up. So, okay, so now I'm going to save this bird.
Save! No, destroy the bird. You must destroy the bird. oh, you put the bird.
So it's going to be bird one dot bmp. Okay, so looks good. Export, and then I will move down, export, and it's going to be bird 2. Okay, export.
Let's see it.
Now
Let's see how it moves.
now
Oh, you must move
I
the
did
whole
not
bird up and down.
I did not
because
implement it yet.
the bird,
So,
the whole bird must go up and down.
so I'm
Gotta
going
make
to
that go like
create a
boom,
class
boom,
bird.hpp. So let me.
So, you need to program it to be
Yeah,
like
I need to program
bird
it. Yeah.
1 BMP.
Pragma once class bird, and here I will have texture for bird, and it says SDL texture bird 1 and SDL texture bird 2. And
Explode.
let me have a function load texture.
Load texture?
Yeah.
This stuff is so upside down in my head. And whenever I say that, I mean.
So
I have no
it
idea
will
what
have
it means.
include
So you better be listening.
SDL dot h
Just kidding.
SDL texture
There's top H's,
load
there's slashes, there's loadings,
texture, and
there's
inside the load texture I will take the renderer
semi-comma, there's a render, SDL render.
and the file name. Wait, Daniel. Const
Semi-commas, and now
tar file name load texture.cpp include load texture.hpp. Here's it is going to be my implementation for load texture file name and renderer, and the implementation is going to look like this. The surface
I think you can make
bmp, and I will take file name here.
videos on the Nintendo 3DS. You know
If not surface,
Oh,
I'll
surface.
check
Oh.
surface. Yeah, I'll check
If
for I cannot
surface-
see throw exception runtime error, so I'll check for errors, and if there is error I will just print out this thing and probably the string and plus file name plus this thing and plus error code is
this is technically
get
a math problem
error.
here. It's a math problem.
So let's try to compile runtime error, so I need to have
Problem, I guess. No, it's not a test.
Daniel, can you be quiet? I'm making tutorial.
Hey, I'm part of the tutorial.
std accept.
It's a math problem now. Oh gosh,
So and then I need to do
I don't even know what X is doing this day.
result equals SDL create texture from surface.
Oh, start from surface.
Daniel, can you be quiet, please?
I'm part of the tutorial.
Surface return this, and I need to dispose surface SDL surface. So let's try to compile it. Render. I missed R here. File name. Fixing typo here. Okay, so I have load texture function, and let's have bird.cpp include bird.hpp, and let's have constructor bird constructor, and in constructor I will take SDL renderer, and let's me plop it here SDL renderer star renderer. So I have constructor.
How much pages has this been? How much pages has this been? Ben.
Excuse me?
How much page? It seems like you've been hiding like a big page. Like you've been down to the bottom and then you went back up and down to the bottom.
Bird 1. So the name for bird 1 is bird1.bmp. So it will load the bird, and bird2 bmp, it will load the bird. So let's make the
Daddy, and don't
application.
forget to not go too fast.
Yeah, okay. So now I will do here, I will make the bird b, and we'll do b.exec like this. And all this loop I'll put inside the b exec, so bird exec. So I will have here int bird dot, no, actually, well, let me do it here for now, but later on I will put all these things in different class. I will make the game class, but for now this is good enough. So here's it. I will have function draw, void draw. So let me implement draw, and draw is going to be bird draw. So I will draw bird, and to draw bird I need to do something copy, SDL renderer copy. So autores equals, and here's it. I will do draw SDL render copy renderer space bird 1 null ptr. Let's see. Right, I need to include SDL here, sdl.h, include load texture.hpp, load like this. I need exec here, exec. I need to include bird here. Right, bird needs renderer, and let's see result. Yeah, here's it. We have bird. It's kind of it's kind of big, and the reason is, and also you can see these yellow things because I did not enable transparency. So let me enable transparency. Why it's still running? Oh, so let me enable transparency here. I think, I do not remember. Let me Google for this thing. GL2 transparency. It's something like blend mode, alpha texture. Set texture alpha mode. I think it's this thing. Come on, open. No. Yeah, set texture blender mode. Okay. So we do SDL set texture blend mode. No, it's not this thing. Come on, it's not blend mode. Set SDL. Oh, I just set blend mode. Okay, set blend mode, and then I need renderer here, and blend mode, and it's, I need to have normal blending. It's blend mode blend, SDL blend mode blend like this. So SDL blend mode blend, set renderer blend mode, set render draw blend mode. Cool, finally. It's still not transparent for some reason. So let me do here clear, or what is it? Let me pick the Wikipedia page by category. Clear, SDL render clear. So here I will clear SDL clear, and also set the color SDL there, SDL set render color. So let's make it white, blue for now, and I think it's just set color, render color, set render draw color. So let me check for errors here. If res not equal 0, td time error SDL render copy plus SDL get error, like this. Include std. Come on, so many typos. So blue, I want blue. Yeah, this is nice. So now let's do ex, and here 0, and here copy ax. What is flip render flip SDL render flip none SDL flip none. Okay, and yeah, point, yeah, point null pointer here. So I want to make bird smaller, so SDL rect rx equals, so let's put it on the center first. Application divide by 2, width is going to be, let's do 100, height is going to be 100. I know texture is square. Include application sort lines and use R here. Okay, so here's it, Flappy Bird. It's not exactly on the center because I need to, like, this point is on the center, so I need to fix this thing like this. So I need to do minus 50, so now it's on the center. There is some transparency, but I'm not going to fix it. Next thing, what kind of texture I want to use here. So there is a bird 1 or bird 2. I can use timer SDL get ticks, so I can make bird do how much, like 4 times per second. Let's do it 4 times per second. So like 500 greater than 250. It's going to be bird 1, otherwise it's bird 2. So let's make the bird flap. It's kind of slow, right? Let's make it a little bit faster. So 150. Yeah, I think it's good. So it's kind of gives the notion about bird flying. So bird have x and y position, so it's going to be float x, float y, and here I will put x and y, and because -50, -50, and this thing I will put here. So I need to include application actually here, right? I need to delete all these things. So now let's make bird sync, and it's kind of physics, so I want to do physics in kind of separately. So this is event processing, this is drawing part, and this is going to be physics. So for physics I want to do here tick, and that's it, and each tick are going to be 1 millisecond. So what I want to do, I want to have get tick auto T SDL get ticks. So this is initial tick and now auto. So this is all time, and current time, it's not time, right? Tick, current tick, all tick, current tick is SDL get ticks, and here I will do for auto I equals all tick I less than current tick plus I tick, and then all tick is going to be current like this, and this guy will have void tick, and inside tick I will do physics. So for physics, I need to have velocity equals 0 for now, and basically I don't need x parameter. I mean, I can leave it here, and actually I can move bird little bit closer to beginning, like quarter, so I will have some to see tubes coming out, and here in the tick I will increase velocity by some coefficient 0, 0, 1, and then y is going to be increased by velocity. Let's see. Yay, there is a falling down bird. So now what we can do, we can get the events. So I want to catch key event, key event. How I can do it? Key. So I actually, not the key. I want to have mouse, right? So mouse. So mouse. Yeah, there is a mouse down. I can just catch the mouse down, and that's it. SDL mouse down. No, I need mouse up. Okay, so tick will have boolean is mouse down. So if minus equal 0.002, otherwise it's 0, case break mouse down is mouse down equals true, mouse up false, and there is a tick is mouse down. SDL mouse button, mouse button pull down equals false. I think it should fall faster. Probably it's good, but probably it should go up faster a little bit. Okay, it should go up faster, right? So let's do 3. Yeah, I think it's better. I kind of feel better control on the bird, and also, depending of the speed, I can rotate the bird. So here's it. We can use speed as the rotation. Let's see, probably I need to multiply it to 10 probably. I can do it 30. Let's see how it's going to look like. Nice. Yeah, it's quite awesome. Probably a little bit more. 50. Yeah, this is better. So we have flying bird. So now we need tubes. Okay. So let me make the class game. This will take renderer also, and it will not have tick, it will have exec only, and inside exec, so it will have 2 methods, game. So here and inside exec I'll do things what I did for bird. For bird I did this loop, and I can have here bird and bird like this, and here bird draw, bird tick. So I need to include SDL and bird. So exec is integer. Now inside the application I'll have game and include game here. Okay, let me see. It compiles, but I'm not sure I implemented everything, so let me double check. So mouse down, tick, draw, bird, draw, and inside bird I don't need exec anymore, so it's draw and tick. Looks good. For bird I forgot destructor. There is a leaking resources. It's SDL is C library, so I need to take care about resources manually, unfortunately. So to release resources I need to do I forgot what I need to do. Let me Google for this thing. Texture, query texture, set textures, unlock, update, create texture, destroy texture. So I need to do SDL destroy texture, bird 1, bird 2. Okay, so now we do not leaking anything. Okay, bird is running. Let me draw. Bird is running. Let me put y coordinate here because game needs y, and so tick. I can do tick for game also, and it's actually boolean is mouse down. Bird dot tick is mouse down. If bird y greater than height, turn false, like this. So if not bird, return 1. What? Oh, game colon. So let's me the prototype. So what's going on? Could not convert void to bool. Just tick, right? Yeah. So now we need pipes, right? So let me draw pipe. How I will draw pipe? Let me think. Pipes. How I can draw pipes? You know, I can just have very long, yeah, pipe, and yeah, okay, I got idea. So file new. So let's make pipes. Let's make it 122. Let's make it twice longer, bigger, 255, and height I will do 720, 256 and 720. Okay. Oh darn, I did not make it transparent. Discard changes, so I need to make it transparent. Layer transparency at alpha channel. Okay, so now I will draw pipes. Fun with drawing pipes. So let me pick the color, green color. So it's going to be this. So now in here a little bit darker. Okay, and probably like a bird, make the black outline.
You getting it?
I'm making pipes. Do you want to see the bird?
The bird?
Yeah, I made the bird. Yeah, I made the flying bird.
Can you use the flying bird though?
Yeah, look.
And don't forget the background.
Yeah, I'll make the background, don't worry. So here's it, bird. Ah, it's fall down. So flying bird. Yeah, and you can click the mouse and it flies, and see it's flapping the wings.
Cool.
Nice.
Better graphics than on the YouTube. Definitely.
So and now I'm drawing pipes.
Something's wrong with our YouTube.
So I need bigger.
What are you doing?
I need to draw a pipe, right?
Yeah, so what is that?
Oh, here, got it.
Yeah. Oh, why are you just smearing everything here?
Huh?
Why
Yeah, let's see. I don't know by myself yet. So, oops. So, here, right? And like this. And it should have like shadow kind of thing here.
Eddie, I think you should get better at drawing.
Yeah, I need to learn how to draw. Yeah, I'm not very good of drawing. It's very true.
I am good at staying in lines, but I'm not good at making one.
Okay. So let me make black here also.
But who would want to make a Flappy Bird game if you can just play it at the arcade or something?
It's tutorial, right? Some people want to learn how to make games, and they can learn watching how I'm making game.
And they can modify it?
Yeah, and I will publish it, and they can use my source code and learn it more. Yeah. Okay, so now let's make it white, right? There is a white things here, kind of here, right?
And that's after shading.
And here is it like a black thing here, like this. Probably a little bit more black here. I think it's this tube is fine.
I want to go to bed.
Yeah, go to bed. I need to finish the tutorial, right?
Bye-bye.
Good night. So I think it's kind of good tube. Let me do some modifications here. So I want to erase this green leaking thing. Yeah, you know, as I said, I'm not good of drawings. I think it's good enough. So it's a tube. Export. What's going on? So we get tube, and let's continue programming, which is I'm good. So let's make tube HPP, and it's going to be similar as bird. So I will just copy public tube avoid tick. So tube does not need mouse input, so I will not take any parameters. Void draw. So and tube has actually will have two parameters. And let's make it let's have two parameters. One parameter is int y parameter, and second parameter is x parameter, x and y. And you know I don't want to load texture every time for tube. So I will pass the tube texture in here. So like every time then I'm instantiating tube, I would not hit the disk and read the texture. So it's like slight performance optimization. So I will do it in the game, and it will take x and y. And what else? Orientation, it's up or down. So bool is up. So I think we got everything. Private SDL texture. So I think we got everything. Let's implement. Include SDL.h. So here constructor, and inside the oh yeah, I need the renderer also. So renderer texture x y is up. Okay, I don't need destructor because I'm not owning texture. So inside the tick, and actually I don't need constructor for x, because x will start as application with tube.hpp, Alright, it's not taking X parameter anymore. Renderer texture, Y. So I need to reorganize it slightly. Okay. Yeah, I still need X public. I can make the accessor, but this is small application. So encapsulation is not our big concern. So in the tick we will do X minus equal, yeah, let me think. So one tick is 1 microsecond, 1 millisecond, so it's going to be 1000 pixels per second. Yeah, so let's make me X float. Y can be int, but like for consistency let's make Y float too. So now minus minus, so I think it's kind of around 5 seconds for tube to move full screen, 5 seconds for tube to move full screen, 180. So it's divide by 5, it's 240 in second, and 0.25 in millisecond. Yeah, let's do it like this. That's it for tick. Awesome. So for draw I'll do this thing. I do not need to do, actually I do need to do X, right? Because is it up or down? And you know, because bird is, how much did I do? 128, right? 28. So let's do things properly. 64. So tube is 256, 720. And texture, X and Y position. X is 128 and Y like this, 0. So let's see how our tube is going to behave. Let me make the tube here. It will be array of tubes, but like for now I'll tubes texture. And what else? Y and is up, so Y, let's make it 300 and is up false for now. And then inside the tick we will do tube.tick and tube.draw. I need tube texture, SDL texture, tube texture. So just right, we need to put it here. Tube texture, load texture there, and tube.bmp. Include load texture.hpp underscore t. Okay, let's see how tube is going to move. Oops. Yeah, it's moving. So if is up, if not up, it's down tube. This thing drawing down tube. So I need to draw up tube. So flip, go, and basically Y is going to be negative. So GIMP is up true, so let's make it up. Yeah, this is up tube now. Of course, you know, bird cannot go very up anyways. I think it's fine. It can go up very up. It will hit the tube. So we will have array of tubes. tube list. So tube list. How I want to do this thing? So I need around 3 tubes, and it's going to take 5 seconds, 6 seconds, so I can make the tube every 2 seconds. So I will have counter here to make the tube. Okay, so counter int counter equals 0 plus plus counter if counter divided. So it's tick is every millisecond, and every 2 seconds I want to make the tube. So equals 0, and I can do actually counter plus plus like this. I want to make the tube list in place back, and there tube texture, tube's texture. Why? Let's make it 300 for now. And for auto tube list tube.tick, and here same thing, but tube to draw for auto tube list tube to draw. Come on. You know, the one issue, tubes actually coming out from nowhere. So the reason is, it's like, anyways, I need to make x coordinate for tube, initial x coordinate for tube, little bit more tube. So width plus, so 128 degrees. Yeah, now it looks better. But actually I need to make 2 tubes. I need to make actually 2 tubes. So this is 300, so it's like a 200. Oh, there is not too much. So there is not too much room. 100. Yeah, that's better. That's better, but it does not mean it's easier to play. Let me randomize positions for tubes. So it's going to be auto y equals rand, and I want to have it basically application height, and probably I will subtract 200 and 200 and plus 100, 200, probably 100 also. So this one, bottom one, is going to be y plus 100, 200, and top one is going to be y. Oh, this is really hard to play. Yeah, it is kind of hard. Probably I'll make 300 here. Yeah, it's kind of easier. Definitely it's easier. It's too easy, so let me tweak it little bit. 300 to 50. Yeah, I'll do some tweaks. Let's do collision detection. So we are going through all tubes, and if bird, so bird x position, let me make it public too, and I can actually make it const, so some level of encapsulation. So if bird x in the range of tube, so how they are intersecting bird x. Basically we have 2 rectangles, and we need to does SDL have SDL? check if rec test. So I did the request. Oh, there is intersect rect. Awesome. So basically I need to populate rectangle. So SDL rect bird. So bird x equals bird rect equals bird x minus 64 bird rect dot y equals bird y minus 64. Let me make better GIMP file open, because bird is kind of small, so I'll do measurements of bird. So it's 114 by 94. 114 by 94 divide by 2 bird rect dot v 114 bird rect dot height 94. So SDL rect tube rect and tube rect dot x equals tube dot x minus so it's 128 and tube y. So if tube dot is up, y is tube y minus kind of very big number, and tube rect dot is 256, tube rect dot h very big number. And then we do intersection SDL intersect rect if SDL intersect rect bird rect tube rect, and then null pair return false. So this is for tube up, else for tube down. So for tube down it's just a y. That's it. It's kind of simple, surprisingly. Oh, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Oh, so I actually need this, even I don't care about result. Cool. So it's a return one. Let me do here delay for 4 seconds. Actually I can do SDL sleep 4 seconds like this. Delay. So let's see. Bam. Yeah, I will make a tube rectangle slightly smaller, probably 15. So it was 28 plus 20 minus 40 plus 20 minus 40, and actually I can put this thing outside. There is some invariance for x and for h also, and y is only changing. Oh yeah, I think this is better. Basically that's it. I can make the background, but it's kind of irrelevant. I can cycle the game. I like application game. So I can do like the for this thing if equals 0 break and return 0. So I cycle the game. So if I 1 2 3 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, there is one small thing. As usual, I forgot about cleaning up resources. So GIMP here, SDL, this. Let's see how I did in the bird. Destroy texture. Pipe, tube. Yeah, I should call it pipe, but it's fine. Another thing, it's these things, and for auto iter equals std begin tube list plus plus iter not equals std end tube list plus plus iter if iter dot x less than negative 128, and let's make it 0 for now, so I'll see how they disappear. I will remove, so tube list dot erase iter equals else iter plus plus, so they should disappear. So now let me do negative 128. Yeah, okay, so let me post these things on the repository on GitHub, sign in, new repository, Flappy Bird, public repository, git ignore C++, no license for now. Now I need to do git init, how to add remote, git add origin, git remote at origin, okay, git remote at origin, where is it, copy, paste, okay, commit, commit. Interesting. Let's me rebase. Here is it. So it's on GitHub now. Let's verify it. Yeah. So thank you for watching, and have a good day, and hopefully see you next time. Bye.